Welcome to Law Tube. You are watching top law news every day. But before we begin with the top law news of the day, if you have come to LawTube for the first time, please do subscribe LawTube and click on the bell icon for notification so that you will never ever miss latest law and legal news update on LawTube. We also thanks to all those who have subscribed LawTube. So stay tuned for latest law and legal news update every. In a landmark judgment in the field of gratuity law, the Supreme Court bench comprising Justice U. Lalit and Sanjeev Khanna set aside the finding of the claim commissioner under the Act, which were approved by the appellate authority and also both the single bench and the division bench of the Delhi High Court. The Supreme Court bench held that Section 4, Subsection 5 of the Payment of Gratuity Act 1972 will apply only when there are alternative options for the employee under the Act and under the terms of the contract with the employee. In 2012, the employee resigned from the company after 12 years of services. He raised a gratuity claim of rupees 1,83,75,000. The company took the stand that he was entitled to gratuity amount of rupees 10 lakh only as per the upper limit fixed by section 4 subsection 3 of the Act. Though company took the matter to the appellate authority and later to the High Court, the ruling of the claim commissioner was not disturbed. The Supreme Court ruled that the High Court was in error in upholding the direction of the claim commissioner. The company was held entitled to apply the upper limit under section 4 subsection 3 against the respondent. Coming to the next law news, the Supreme Court bench comprising Justice Ashok Bhushan and Sanjeev Khanna on Friday granted interim protection from arrest to Advocate Prashant Bhushan in FIR registered against him by Gujarat police alleging hurting of religious sentiment. The Supreme Court bench has ordered that no coercive action to be taken till next date of hearing and issued notice to Gujarat government and posted the matter after 2 weeks. The FIR was registered over the critical comment made by Bhushan in Twitter against Union Minister Prakash Javadekar, tweeting a picture of himself watching Ramayana serial amidst the national lockdown. In that context, Bhushan tweeted on March 28, as crores starve and walk hundreds of miles home due to lockdown, our heartless minister celebrate consuming and feeding the opium of Ramayana Mahabharata to the people. Alleging that this tweet amounted to hurting of religious sentiment, one Jayadeva Rajnikant Joshi lodged complaint at Bhaktinagar Police Station, Rajkot, Gujarat under section 295A of the Indian Penal Code. In the writ petition filed in the Supreme Court through Advocate Kamini Jaiswal, Bhushan stated that his tweet was only highlighting the apathy of the Union Minister in handling the migrant workers crisis and was not intended at hurting any religious sentiments. Coming to next news, the central government has notified the appointment of 5 judicial officers as additional judge of Karnataka High Court. They are Shiv Shankar Amravanar, Makki Mane Ganeshaya Uma, Vidya Vyasa Sri Shananda, Hanchati Sanjeev Kumar, Padmaraja Neema Chandra Desai. They will assume their respective office for a period of 2 years in the above order of seniority. The Supreme Court Collegium has recommended their elevation by resolution dated April 20, 2020. In another notification, the central government has notified the appointment of 3 additional judges of the Kolkata High Court as permanent judges. They are Justice Bibek Chaudhary, Justice Subhashish Das Gupta, Justice Saurabh Ghosh. The Supreme Court Collegium has recommended the same by a resolution dated April 20, 2020. The Supreme Court Collegium on 27th April 2020 has recommended transfer of Mr. Justice A.M. Badar, Judge Bombay High Court to Kerala High Court. Justice Badar was born on August 10, 1961 in a family of lawyers. He completed his BCom and LLB from GS College of Commerce and Economics, Nagpur and University College of Law, Nagpur, respectively. He enrolled as an advocate in September 1985 and started a legal career by joining chamber of his father, late M.P. Badar, who was a government pleader and public prosecutor at Nagpur bench of Bombay High Court. Justice Badar joined Maharashtra Judicial Service as a directly recruited district judge in November 2000. He worked as additional district judge at Akola and Wardha. He worked in the Registry of Bombay High Court as Registrar Vigilance. He was elevated as additional judge of Bombay High Court on March 3, 2014. So, Law Tube viewers, we hope you enjoyed this video and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe Law Tube. So please, if you have any suggestion, views and opinion for the development of LawTube, so please do let me know all your views, opinion and suggestion in the comment sections below. I will be very happy to help update LawTube viewers and respond them. So stay tuned for latest law and legal news every day. See you tomorrow in the latest LawTube. Thanking you all LawTube viewers. Goodbye.